long journey. Long journey. But
Very good.
finally.
My name is Trisha. I'm from Mumbai. I was having fistula for 1 year. My overall experience starting from the death means from till the end of the surgery was really good. Each and every staff was the cooperative. Dr. Porwal, he did his best. I was not afraid even before and after of the surgery. There was continuous follow-up from the doctors. So normally the stress you have that after the surgery when you went home, and if you're having a pain or something, so there is a common fear that how you get the follow-up of the doctor and the attention on the call and everything. But it was different here. The doctors were always attentive. The assistant surgeon, she was always there on the call. If there is anything need, Dr. Samiksha was always there on the call. If there was anything needed or I am in the pain, she always reverted back as soon as possible. And that was a type of relief you have because after a surgery, you don't normally get this kind of attention at the hospital. We have experiences first time where you get the attention of the doctors immediately and the rest of the staff also. When you are around, you feel positive because of their attitude. It is not you feel like a patient or even if you are in pain, they are kind of supportive. Yes. And today said that I am cured from my fistula and it's not going to happen again.
Wow.